Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. My name's Sue, and today Doug, Bella and I are heading over to Carsington Water Caravan Motorhome and Club site. We're meeting up with my dad and his wife Ingrid, who we haven't seen now for over 2 years, so I can't wait to meet up with them. We'll have a look around the site and see what's in the surrounding area, so stay tuned and see what we can find. Quite a swing, and a metal grid, cattle grid. This site is in a pine plantation, so there's lots of trees. Somebody So left-hand side, obviously, for arrivals. Just have to pull in a little bit to let any late leavers go. Hello. Are we all settled in? Are we? We're settled in? Barbecue's on. Carsington Water Club site. This is the map, or the layout of the site, should I say. And we're on number 57, which is here. So we're sort of halfway into sight. There is a dog walk all the way around. Apparently, Carsington Water itself is just over here, about 15-minute walk. So, yeah, so we'll just have a little wander around, I think, and I'll go and tell reception that we're here. Should we go for a little walk round, see if we can find Grandad John? Okay. Right, so we've just got the toilet blocks here, not very far away. And we're in this section here. As I say, this is the shower block, toilet block. Hey, Bob, this way. So we've got washing up in there. And we've just passed the ladies' toilets and showers. Toddler and baby room. The gents are on this other side. You've got drinking water, wastewater fill up there, and some bins. Let's go and wait for Grandad John to arrive, eh? As you can see, there's some picnic benches and the kiddies' playground there. It is a bank holiday weekend, so it's quite busy. The motorhome service point here with fresh water and wastewater and a nice big grid to empty your motorhome into. It's a chemical waste point here with a big thing to empty your waste into and some water to empty and hand sanitizer bins. There's a dog wash there. I'll stick you in that if you're not careful. We're back to reception now. Giant Connect 4 there, that looks like fun. To reception. There they are. Morning guys, we are just about to set off on a walk over to Carsington Water. It's been drizzling a little bit, but there are blue patches of sky, so I'll video anything we see en route. See you later. This is the dog walk. It's a little bit higgledy-piggledy. It's definitely for sure-footed people. But it's great because it's all through the woodland. Right, takes you around the site. This way goes towards reception. And then you can head over. You can see the water, the lake over there. The walk around the lake is approximately 8 or 9 miles, which we won't be doing today. It's about 15-minute walk from here apparently to the water's edge. The dog walk all the way around the site is about a mile apparently. The sun's just catching the other side of the lake. Lots of boats out there. What's up here, pals? Is there a good view? Wow, there is a good view. Let's get around a little bit further. And you can see the majority of the lake, I think, from here. There's a cycle track around the lake, which is part of the Tissington Trail as well. So if you're into cycling, beautiful scenery around here. You come in through this entrance, Severn Trent Carsington Water. Welcome to Millfields. And it takes you along to the lakeside. There is a car park here. It's not overnight parking or anything like that for campers, but you can park here if you've got your car. But it's literally a 5-minute walk from the campsite, so quite a big car park, plenty of space, and it's right against the water's edge. Which way are we going? We're following the Walking Red Trail. It's also the cycle path, so you have got to keep an eye on your dogs. There's a little duck there at the edge of the water. There's a little sign here that says that they've installed new fencing and gates to access their sculptures. I'm not quite sure if we're in the right direction, but we're going to have a look and see. Takes you down to the water's edge at least, so there's fencing to stop you actually getting into the lake at this point. From the visitor centre you can go kayaking and all sorts of water sports, but from here you can't get in the water. Bit of a dog's eye view. Bella's view of going through a stile. Oh, there's a statue. That's cute, isn't it? And a bit of a beach. I'm going to go down here and have a look at the beach. Nice book statue there. The first one we went down was a memorial bench. It does say benches or statues, so it's quite pretty. Some fisher persons. It's very peaceful, lapping water and bird song. A little bit of a climb from here. Sorry if I'm puffing. Suitably not fit. You can hear the braying. He's quite close to the fence, that one. There's lots of horses in there, actually. You can see. It's a little foal. Really cute white foal.
Sopwith Camel.
A Shopworth camel. Sopwith, sorry. For plain buffs. World War One. Don't think you'll see it very well on my camera, it doesn't zoom. The sun is slowly creeping round. Unfortunately, we're having to head back because we have to leave by 12. Couldn't get a site to stay longer because it's a bank holiday weekend and it was a last minute cancellation. And this little shelter is like a little wooden house. Sofa and a piano and a chair. Grandfather clock and a TV and a telephone and a big bench and a very well turned lamp. How cute is that? There's also a bat box up there with a bat shape cut into it. Some Canada geese on the bank there. Visitor centre's all lit up there with all the boats. The sun's trying to break through. We've just timed it wrong. Dead trees sticking up, they look like ribs of an old animal. We've made it back to the campsite. Bit of a trek up a hill there. Conservation area for wildlife over there. No mow zone. It's time for changeover, really. So we're just going to pack up now, I think. Right, we've made it back to the van. Just got to unhook the electricity and let the legs down. As you can see, it's not a very straight or level site. It's wonky in both directions, which is interesting. It doesn't look it. Anyway, we're back. You all right, Bells? Did you enjoy that walk? Was that good? Was it good? Was it? Okay, hot in face, but it was a good walk. We didn't get to go all the way around because we didn't really have the time. So that's it for today. So from me, Doug and Bella, bye for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.